Hi Anna. You look a bit stressed today. Is everything all right? Oh, Kelly, I'm just overwhelmed. I have so much homework pending, and I don't know where to start. I always end up finishing it late at night. I understand. Procrastination is a common problem. However, finishing your homework on time is not about working harder. It is about managing your time effectively. I want to be disciplined like you. How do you manage to complete every assignment before dinner? It is simple. I follow a consistent routine. The moment I get home from school, I take a 1-hour break to refresh my mind. But after that, I sit at my study desk without my phone. That is my biggest distraction. I keep checking my phone every 10 minutes. That is the first rule: eliminate distractions. You should keep your mobile phone in another room while studying. It helps you focus deeply on the task at hand. That makes sense. But what if the homework is too difficult? I often get stuck on one math problem for an hour. When that happens, you should use the prioritization technique. List your tasks from easiest to hardest. Finish the easy ones first to build your confidence. If you get stuck on a hard one, move to the next task and ask for help later. I usually do the hardest things first and get tired. I will try your way. Do you take breaks while studying? Absolutely. I use the Pomodoro technique. I study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. It keeps my brain alert and prevents boredom. 25 minutes sounds manageable. I always thought I had to study for 3 hours straight. No, that actually reduces your productivity. Also, another secret is to maintain a to-do list. Every morning, write down exactly what needs to be done. Crossing off a finished task gives you a great sense of achievement. I have never tried making a list. I usually just try to remember everything in my head. Writing it down clears your mental clutter. Also, try to finish your most important work during your peak energy hours. For me, it is right after my afternoon nap. I think my peak energy is in the evening. I will start my heavy assignments then. One last tip: always keep your study space clean. A cluttered desk leads to a cluttered mind. Thank you so much. These tips are very practical. I'm going to put my phone away and start my English essay right now. That's the spirit. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Good luck.